Hey everyone, it's Drama Llama, and today I'm going to be making thumbprint cookies. So let's get on with the video. Add 3/4 cup flour. One half teaspoon baking powder. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt. In a separate bowl, add 1 teaspoon vanilla. Add 1 egg. Add 3/4 cup melted butter. Add 3/4 cup sugar. Whisk until well incorporated. Add dry ingredients and whisk until well incorporated. When you're done whisking, roll batter into balls and put it on the pan. Preheat oven to 350. Put the fingerprints into the batter. Put jam into the fingerprints. Bake in the oven for 13 minutes. Time for short facts about llamas. Did you know that llamas communicate by humming? Now let's get back to the video. Enjoy!